Good evening, little dreamer. Moss, let me tell you a story about Pip tonight.
Who is Pip?
A happy little fish in the river. The most curious fish of all.
Pip was happy all day long. A shiny pebble, a dancing leaf. He noticed what others swam past. "I wonder," he always said.
He sounds like me.
He is very much like you.
His brothers always said, "Stay close." Soon his little tummy felt empty. He nibbled soft algae on a rock.
Fish eat that?
Yes, Moss. Some fish eat algae that grows on rocks and reeds.
When a school of fish shimmered by.
What's a school of fish, Luma?
Many fish swimming close together. They move like one shining cloud.
"I wonder where they are going," said Pip. So he followed the shining school. Then Pip saw the lanterns above, warm and golden on the water's skin. "I wonder what's up there," said Pip. And Pip jumped. He saw the moon. He saw the bridge. He saw the whole beautiful world. But when he fell back, the shining school was gone.
Oh no, where did they go?
Too fast for little Pip to follow.
The river looked different now. Taller reeds, longer shadows, darker water. Pip stopped. Nothing looked the same. He whispered, "I think I'm lost."
Was he scared?
A little. But he was not alone.
A dragonfly hovered above the water, then flew towards brighter water. Pip followed. One small step. A sleepy turtle smiled slowly. He pointed toward the waving reeds. Pip followed. Another small step.
They are helping him find the way.
Yes, each friend knows one small step.
A frog blinked from the lily pond. He nodded softly towards home. Nobody knew the whole way. But together, everyone helped enough. Then Pip saw the tall reeds. The water felt like home. He heard gentle, familiar voices. His family was there, waiting. No one scolded. They simply swam home.
Luma, look at the water. I wonder if that's Pip.
Perhaps it is. He wasn't alone after all. Our friends help lead us home.
Pip and his family are settling to sleep. Do fish close their eyes to sleep?
No, fish rest with eyes open. So Pip stays safe, even asleep. Rest now, little one. The lanterns will keep watch.
Good night, Luma.
Good night, Moss.